Nismo isn't just for sports cars anymore. Nissan has brought its racing DNA to the SUV world with the first ever X-Trail NISMO. Built as a grand touring SUV, it blends everyday versatility with motorsport-inspired performance. The design immediately sets it apart. Red accented spoilers, diffuser-style rear, and exclusive 20-inch Enkei wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires. These aren't just for looks. The aerodynamic package reduces lift by 29%, improving stability and downforce. Underneath, the X-Trail NISMO gets serious engineering upgrades. Its E40RC all-wheel system has been tuned for sharper cornering and better traction, increasing rear drive during turns for a more precise, engaging feel. New Kayaba Swing Valve shock absorbers, making their Nissan debut, balance SUV comfort with reduced body roll. Performance is further enhanced by a Nismo-tuned vehicle control module, offering two modes: Sport for quick throttle and dynamic handling, and Auto for smooth everyday driving. Inside, the cabin blends practicality with sportiness. Black materials with red accents signal Nismo's identity, while optional Recaro seats add both cornering support and long-distance comfort. The result? The X-Trail NISMO isn't just a styling upgrade. It's a true fusion of SUV usability and Nismo passion. For the first time, drivers can enjoy racing-inspired excitement without giving up family-friendly comfort.